Hi there, welcome back to my guides and tutorials. So we're trying to get a gas bottle here for the camper van today, and I've got an empty Calor gas bottle and my local petrol station are refusing to take it. I find this totally ridiculous, but it's because it's got scraped paintwork and they say that it's not a real bottle. I'll show you what it looks like. So there we go, Calor gas bottle, scraped paint. So I've got the oil paints out. I've mixed up a blue, as you can see. I'm hoping it's the right colour blue. We'll try and tidy this bottle up again, and we'll take it back to the petrol station and see if I can get a bottle of gas for the van. So that's the top section done. I think it looks more presentable for the petrol station to take. Don't see why they need to have them painted, since surely they do that at the Calor factory, but hey ho. So as you can see, finally got the Calor bottle changed over. I've now got a 4.5 kilogram bottle, which will fit nicely in the cupboard at the back there. So I've got some heavy duty straps, so I'll show you. They're probably a bit overkill, but I'm going to fasten this strap around the bottle in the back of the van. So yeah, it'll have to be all screwed down tight, and that'll be a secure place for the bottle to be. I've not quite got a regulator yet. I'll have to order one up, because I initially planned on getting a red bottle, so I had the wrong regulator for that bottle. But as I was saying, there seems to be a shortage of gas just now. I think as a result of the pandemic, everybody's been having barbecues and building camper vans and such like. So eventually I got a bottle anyway, and we'll get it fitted into the van with that strap.